Alright, so in today's video we're gonna be doing some homework with our good buddy Skits PR. Here we have him on the phone. He's currently on the phone. So gonna do some work. Let's get to work. Alrighty, so guys, we just finished with these pages right there, as you guys can see. Also finished it with the other page 20. Yeah, page 20. Finished all the questions. The problem that I'm having is on page 21, which I'm gonna ask my teacher once I go back to school. Yeah, it's a higher I don't know.
8th grade is hard.
Yeah, it is. 8th grade is hard. Yeah, I agree with you. 8th grade is really hard. Especially when you are, well, I honestly think the pre-algebra is the same thing as math. I mean, everything is the same pretty much. I don't know, but I feel like it's a little bit easier. What do you think?
About what?
Like, do you think pre-algebra is easier?
It's basically the same.
It is the same, but I feel like math last year was like, I don't know, difficult. Alrighty, so like I said, we just finished doing that. I'm still talking on the phone with my good buddy Skits_PR. I'll leave his YouTube channel linked on the description below of this video. Now, based on the title of today's video, you know, you can tell that it should be like a video about kind of my one day of what I do on my life. But before we continue this vlog any longer, I just want to mention that this whole video has been filled with my Hero 7 GoPro Silver. So if you guys like the quality of today's video, oh shit, there we go. So if you guys like the quality of today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, so then I can know that I should start using my GoPro more often. Alrighty, so we're gonna be drawing something here. If you guys are wondering what is this is a project that I actually have to finish today for English class. But we're gonna be, you know, basic on the title of today's video, we're gonna be, you know, doing what I do normally every day. You know, just a vlog, a usual vlog, like a daily vlog, or that's what you can call it. But with that being said, we're gonna draw something here. I normally draw something, you know, just because I like drawing. You know, I don't do that usually. Like, I don't do it like all the time. I just do it when I'm bored and when I want to. But with that being said, let's draw something. I don't know what I'm gonna draw yet. Probably like a car or something. I'll, you know, definitely invent something. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Enjoying the time lapse.
I'm not in the colors.
Alrighty, so we're finished with our drawing. I mean, I'm not the best drawer ever, but I kind of did my job there. It looks, I mean, not the best. It looks like a freaking, I don't know, little beater. But it's cool. From Pickup Vlog. I got the sun. Yeah, it looks cool. I'll probably hang it up on the wall here. So I did that. I also put a Halloween thingy there, which yeah, I should probably hang it somewhere around my room. Alrighty, so I want my picture right there, so I'm gonna hang it right there. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there you go. We hang up the pictures right there from pickup vlog. There's a little car. I'm still gonna have to color it, but for now it's gonna stay like that. Now I'm gonna be editing this video here as you guys, are watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. This is not normally what content I do. I do still, like I mentioned on the previous video, I actually did really good on content on the previous video. I believe I have 125-ish views, which is, for a 15 minute long video, it's really good. And if I always get a lot of views on a video, it's probably like a short video, like a pretty like one or 2 minute long video. So I'm really pumped about getting 125-ish whatever views got on the previous video. But with that being said, we're gonna end to this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you're stopping for the first time and you haven't already, and you feel like you kind of want to. Please subscribe. Make sure to check out Skits PR on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.